Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Facebook dating not showing. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So the first thing that you want to do here is we want to make sure that Facebook dating is not actually viewable on our device. So go ahead and open up your Facebook account here and just click on the three dash icon or three bar icon that you see at the top right. Then from here, you want to scroll down a bit, and usually this is where Facebook dating is located. So if you don't see it here, just click on see more, and probably it's hidden here. But if you're not able to see it here, then we want to do a few things here. So first thing that you want to do is you want to press and hold on the application itself, and you want to go to app info. Now in here, you want to click on clear data at the bottom center of the screen, and just click on clear all data. So once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is you want to go to Google Play Store and check if there are any updates on Facebook. So if there are any updates, you want to make sure that you have the latest version for Facebook. So right now, as you can see, there's an update for me. Just click on update and let this load up. But once the update is complete, you just need to go ahead and open it up and check if that is now available on your Facebook account. So if it's still not available on your account, then we'll have to check the terms of usage for Facebook dating. So a simple Google search will give you the help center for Facebook dating. And as you can see, there are requirements for Facebook dating. So you should be at least 18 years old, have a Facebook account in good standing that is at least 30 days old, live in a country where dating is available. So if you delete your dating profile, you can make a new one for 7 days. So if you deleted your Facebook dating account, you'll have to wait 7 days before you could actually create a new one. So also you should be in a specific country to be able to access Facebook dating. So that includes Argentina, Australia, Belgium, Bolivia, and a lot of other countries here where Facebook dating is actually available. Now here, you will not be able to access Facebook dating if you aren't 18 or older, you have a new or inactive account, or you weren't against the terms of service, community standards, or other policies of Facebook. So there's a possibility that you don't meet any of the requirements here. That's why you don't have the Facebook dating. So here basically you just need to make sure that you're currently active with Facebook, currently sharing content, sharing your thoughts on Facebook, making new friends, and basically establishing a good account standing on your Facebook account to have the Facebook dating enabled on your account. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.